Hey guys, welcome back to another quick phone video. In today's video, I have a special unboxing for you guys. This is a newer phone that came out for Boost Mobile, guys. I didn't even know it actually came out for Boost Mobile. I actually picked this up at Walmart, so that's pretty cool. It's not even available on the Boost Mobile website, so that's kind of funny. But here we go, guys. This is Boost Mobile, unlimited data, talk, and text. CoolPad Legacy, guys. Overall, first impressions, it looks pretty sweet. That's why it caught my eye. I was like, whoa. Let me pick this up. And guys, this is not bad. I actually picked this up for $100. Yes, guys, $100. And so let's go ahead and see, is this Boost Mobile's best budget device for only $100? Let's check it out. But let's do the unboxing. So as you can see, here we go, guys. This is a CoolPad Legacy. This is rocking another weird screen size, but it is a 6.36 inch full HD plus display. That's pretty amazing. So for all you guys that like, watching videos, talk time up to 31.4 hours, 32 gigabytes of ROM. So yes. Like I said, finally 32 gigs of internal storage on a Boost Mobile device. That's, $100 or less. Like, that's what I'm saying. This could be possibly the best Boost Mobile phone out there so far. 3 gigs of RAM, guys. Oh my God, 3 gigs of RAM. Usually it's 32 gigs of internal storage or 2 gigs of RAM. Look at this. This is the best specs that I want. 32 gigabytes of internal storage and 3 gigs of RAM. Now, it does have a 1.8 gigahertz quad-core processor, guys. So that, I wish it was a little bit higher, or maybe an octa-core, but can't complain too much there. So let's go ahead and see the sides. Of course, not much, but the back is where you're going to get more information. So as you can see, CoolPad Legacy, same thing. 6.3 inch full HD plus display, 3,980 milliamp battery, guys. Wow, 3,980, almost 4,000. They should have just did the extra 20 and just gave us 4,000. So that's kind of weird of them not to give us 4,000. But I digress. 3G / 4G LTE plus HPUE, a 1.8 gigahertz quad-core processor, 32 gigabytes of ROM, and 3 gigs of RAM. So I'm super excited for that, guys. Android OS, which I'm guessing it's Pie. Now, check this crazy stuff out, guys. 16 megapixels and a 5 megapixel dual main. What is that? Oh my God, I'm telling you, man, I'm getting hot just talking about all these specs, man. This is crazy. This is the kind of stuff that we've been waiting for Boost Mobile. Now, could this be a sign of the merger? I don't know, but here we go. 13 megapixel front-facing camera, guys. Like I said, best specs so far. So CoolPad. I also have your little brother, which is it's a sucky phone, but so far the CoolPad Legacy, dude. I love megapixels and cameras and all that stuff. So pretty excited to see a 16 and a 5 dual main. So definitely, I'm gonna do camera comparisons and all that good stuff. So 13 megapixel front-facing camera, so the selfies must be incredible, right? So so here's a 3 steps: pick a plan, activate, and payment. So let's go ahead and pop this open, guys, and see what we have inside. So I will be back. Let me get my handy dandy little utility knife to pop it open, and hopefully I don't cut myself. But here we go. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, guys. So now that I have it open, as you can see, the mess I did, because these boxes are not easy to get off. They really do a good job of sticking. But let's go ahead and pop it open and see what we get inside. Like I said, they don't make it easy for us to unbox these. So let's go ahead and see how it is. Whoa. Oh, shoot. So same thing, CoolPad. If, like I said, there's a more budget-friendly device. That same thing is a CoolPad. Same thing, looks just like this, but overall nice clean white box with their name CoolPad right there, as you can see it. So this is more of a purple and a green kind of combo. In the back you have nothing. They usually have like specs or something like this, but not this time. Let's see, in the bottom, nothing, top, nothing, side, nothing. So clean white box. Let's go ahead and open it up and see the phone. I'm super excited. All right, whoa, this is a huge phone, guys. First impressions, just opening up, this thing is huge and pretty cool. Look here, front-facing camera, proximity sensor, volume keys, and power keys. I'm just so excited to open this up. When I saw this at Walmart, I didn't even hesitate to think, because I actually have to buy these phones outright, guys. I don't get them sent to me via Boost Mobile or anything. So yeah, you know, $100 I could have used on something else, but I'm like, no, my audience needs it. So pretty cool. Let's see what else we get in here. Open this up. So you do have a SIM key right here. And then, of course, it better be Type-C. Is it Type-C? Lord have mercy. Let's see. Yep, it is Type-C, guys. So that's a good sign right there. Like I said, more points for the phone with it being a Type-C. Look at this big brick, though. Good Lord. Check this out. This thing's huge, man. I don't know if it's fast charging or not, but it says travel charger. It's 3 watt or something like that. But pretty cool. And then no case or anything else inside. But overall, it's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and boot up the phone and see how it is. But first, let's actually show you the phone. Wow. Look at this thing, guys. Jesus. Like I said, this is a huge phone, man. Whew. All right. Let's peel it. Wow. Look at that. Very nice. I'm liking the big screen, guys. Like I said, it's 6.36 inches or something like that. It's very big. Look at this thing. Good God. This is a phablet right here. So on the bottom, you do get your speakers on the bottom. Not sure if they're dual speakers. Looks like it, but sometimes, you know, Apple does it, whether it's a fake one. So on your right side, you do have your volume up and volume down and power rocker right here. So, I mean, volume rocker, volume up, volume down, and then power button. On the top, you do get a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. And then on the left side, you do get SIM slot right here. Probably an SD card slot as well. And then on the bottom, like I said, Type-C charger. So let's look in the back and take off the clear plastic. Wow. Look how shiny this thing is. Guys, I'm not going to lie. I don't know what CoolPad did. Hopefully the software is nice, but this phone is amazing. Look at this thing. Carbon fiber look, checkerboard look. Very nice. CoolPad, you guys, I don't know what you're doing, but nice design. And it's so soft. It's plastic, but it's almost like a layer of clear coat is on there. I don't know. It's weird to explain it. Very nice phone, guys. Look at that. So like I said, you do get the dual camera lenses in the back. Look at that. 2 camera lenses for $100. God. CoolPad, very nice. So let's go ahead and power it up, guys. Sorry if I get a little crazy with this stuff, but like I said, I love technology, and this is the kind of stuff I like doing. And I like when companies are, you know, doing budget designs or budget prices for nice designs. So that's what I like about this, and I couldn't, you know, wait to get home and unbox it for you guys. So let's get to it, guys, and we'll start recording once it's done going through everything. All right, guys, so there we go. It's done going through the whole setup. So as you can see here, it is very nice. Another cool thing that I must mention is it does have facial recognition. That's something pretty cool that I thought, you know, was nice. So pretty cool. It does have fingerprint sensor in the back as well, if you guys don't know, but that is a fingerprint sensor, and also has face recognition. So first off, just looking at it, it kind of does remind me almost of a CTE. Like, I don't know if you guys remember like CTE Warp Elite or just the Elite, but very nice. Let's look into it. Let me grab it with the other hand. You will need 2 hands to operate this thing. This thing's a beast, man. Good God. So swipe up to get to your apps. Does kind of remind me of almost stock Android. Does have FM radio. That's always nice to have. But overall, guys, I believe this phone is very nice for the price. Let's just take a quick peek at some of the drop down menu. So as you can see, here it is, guys. Bluetooth battery saver flashlight. So nice and bright flashlight. Airplane mode, data, location, screenshot, hotspot, and nightlight. That's nightlight. Oh, nightlights, I believe when it's your bed and you don't want the screen hurting your eyes. So let's go more into the settings here and see what else it has to offer. So as you can see, network, apps, battery, 67% battery, not bad at all. Big battery, display, storage. So look at that. It's using already 11.43 gigabytes out of the 32, which is that's a lot, but you know, it is what it is. Account security, all that stuff. Let me look at what operating system it's running currently. So as you can see, guys, it's actually running Pi, so that's pretty cool. Overall, guys, like I said, it's nice and smooth. I will have to do a little bit of speed tests and all that good stuff, but overall, it's nice. Let's look at that selfie camera before we end this video, or the back camera. I don't know why it's taking so long to pull up, which is not a good sign, but there we go. Good Lord. You saw that was in real time, guys. For some reason, it took forever. But overall, wow. It looks very nice through here. It does have HDR. So it does have video portrait mode. It's a little laggy. I'm not going to lie to you guys. When it's switching to night shot. What? Night shot. What is this, man? Good Lord. Let's see. Keep camera steady. Jeez, forget the pixel, man. We're just going to get this phone. But I'll test it out more. Like I said, that's pretty cool. Very nice. There's a video camera, but like I said, we'll play more with that. It does have stabilization. Whew, I'll get more into that, guys, but that's the quick unboxing and first boot up of the CoolPad Legacy. So check it out one more time, the back, so you guys can see it. Very nice. Like I said, it's a huge phone, man, so it's gonna be perfect for watching YouTube videos, but I'll get more into that when the review comes out. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. I have so much content coming out for you guys that, you know, I'm just so busy right now, like I said. But you are in the correct spot, so please leave a comment, you know, rate it, subscribe, share it. And like I said, if you do want to get more videos and notified, hit that bell. And also, if you want to support me and so I can bring more phones to you, you can by donating in my PayPal in the description below, or you can check out my #1 supporter, netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $65 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5. That promo code is Sanchez45973. Thank you so much, guys. Like I said, so much content coming your way, especially with this phone and a lot of other phones. So thank you.